Hi guys, Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad, and again with me is guest starring Bob Anderson. And today we're going to get into lots of trouble, so you'll just have to watch and see. All right, well, we've decided to take the two rear tires off of Patricia because I need this one to go on as a spare. And wait a minute, I had the tools. Right there. Where's Bob? What are you doing? You're heating up the tools? All right. Hey, look who dropped by, next door neighbor. So for everybody out there, what's your name?
Dave, it's RV.
RV?
Yeah.
Does that stand for anything?
Mm-hmm.
What does it stand for?
Real value.
Real value? It doesn't stand for recreational vehicle, does it?
No.
Is it just RV?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, we got the rear tires off of Patricia, got them rolled out of the way. They're going to be ready to be painted before we put them on Malachi. But we decided to go ahead and lift the cab forward so that we can do some harvesting of the parts harvesting some parts from the alternator, and I do need that grounding cable. So we're going to pull this thing forward and also make some plans of how we're actually going to get the cab pulled off of there come this summer. Stay tuned. All right, well, as you can see, Patricia has the same kind of issue with that cam not extending. So we're going to put some brake free on that and go ahead and work on pulling the parts that we need off of here. Doctor, are we ready to operate? Yes, we are. Congratulations, doctor. The alternator-ectomy is complete. And we can now put the new part in dry ice and send it off to help some other poor LMTV that needs to have that part. Did we make sure that we got all of the stuff out of the body of the... Hey, is that a wrench? Oh wait, that's mine. Well, that is where the battery grounding cable went. And as you can see, you don't have to actually pull the whole bolt out, because just get it loose and pop this out. But look at all that rust. And that bolt was screaming and screaming every time I gave it a crank. So definitely, guys, this is a public service announcement. Clean those cables up and clean those connectors. It's cold. All right, guys, we really appreciate you guys watching.
We interrupt this program to bring you this special additional footage.
Well, as it turns out, I was supposed to go into Lacey today and meet with my Lean Six Sigma group, but the guy that we were meeting there is still on vacation. We didn't realize that, so it is I don't have to go anywhere, and Bob already left, but I have a few things I need to take care of. One of them is blocking for Patricia. I don't want to just leave it on jack stands, and I know that this Friday is supposed to be like snowpocalypse around here. It's no big deal for you folks living out in the east. You're used to that kind of thing, but a few inches around here and people just start going crazy. It's not exactly California by any means. I mean, thank God, but still, we're not used to a whole bunch of snow, so it's coming. I want to try to get a few things done before it gets here. What else do we need to say? Anything? What? All right, well, we're going to call it quits for today. It's been a pleasure. We had a lot of fun today. Took some tires off, gave birth to a really nice alternator, and harvested some more parts for Malachi. On behalf of Bob Anderson and myself, if you guys like this video, please give us a like. And if you are new subscriber or an old subscriber, we don't care. Go ahead and give us a comment, because we love to hear what you guys have to say. As well as, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. That would be really awesome. We love extra subscribers.
We hope you had as much fun watching as we did creating. Until next time, guys, be safe and God bless.